Hello everyone, welcome to UKHost4u Cloud Solutions tutorials. Today we're going to be giving an overview of the database hosting plan on our UKHost4u Cloud platform. We'll give you a short introduction of the dashboard, the included features, the pay-per-use pricing, and how you can manage your database hosting. So let's get into it. First, you'll need to log into your dashboard. From your dashboard, you can allow your team members to manage everything from load balancers to application servers to databases as easily as they manage their code. Here, you'll see all of the environments that you've already created. We can see the status of our containers as well as current resource usage for CPU, memory, and disk. There are also some management options here, which we'll get into later. Our database hosting platform supports a wide variety of databases and versions. To create your database container, just open the Environment Creator and find the SQL option. We support a wide variety of database platforms such as MariaDB, MySQL, and Percona. Or, if you're looking for no SQL, we support MongoDB, Couchbase, and Redis. Once you've chosen your database platform, you can easily configure horizontal and vertical scaling for the database containers. This slider allows us to configure vertical scaling, which is essentially adding more power to each node on the database cluster. This slider allows us to configure horizontal scaling, which is essentially adding more nodes to the database cluster. We can also enable auto-clustering, which will automatically arrange our database nodes into a cluster using the scheme that we specify here. The UKHost4u Cloud Solutions platform allows you to easily manage all aspects of your databases. You can access phpMyAdmin directly from the dashboard by clicking Open in Browser next to the database. Managing all aspects of the database containers can be done straight from the dashboard, including add-ons, restarting nodes, configuration files, log files, statistics, and web SSH access. We can also make changes to the database environment after it's been created. Perhaps you want to add an application server or a load balancer. Clicking here allows you to edit the environment at any time. Here, you can configure your storage volumes or even add more if you wish. Also included with every database container is a backup script that you can use to automatically back up your databases at regular intervals. In the config menu, you'll find the cron job script named MySQL in the cron folder. This is where we would enter the database settings so that the cron job can automatically back up the databases and tables that we specify. Next, we're going to look at the pay-per-use pricing on our database hosting plans. When creating or changing an environment, you'll see the estimated pricing on the right-hand side here. With UKHost4u Cloud Solutions, you only ever pay for what you actually use and not a limit you'll never reach. On the left-hand side of the slider, you'll see the minimum price that you'll be charged, based on the reserved number of cloudlets you've configured. To the right, we have the maximum price that you'll be charged, based on the number of cloudlets configured in the scaling limit. This pricing method allows us to ensure truly fair usage-based pricing, so you do not pay for unused resources. We are also currently offering a 14-day free trial, so you can try out the database hosting for yourself risk-free. Check out our website for more info. Now to wrap things up, let's go over some of the benefits you can take advantage of with the cloud database solutions. Easy, quick deployment of your database systems, straightforward database management from the intuitive user portal, effortless horizontal and vertical scaling, clear pay-per-use pricing, allowing you to save on unnecessary costs. These are just a few of the benefits you can expect to see from our database hosting plans. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to try out our database hosting for yourself, just visit our website or click the link in the description to sign up for a 14-day free trial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cloud hosting tutorials, and if you have any topics you'd like us to cover, just let us know in the comments.